Hello, today I'll be making a tutorial on the app N-Track Studio that's made for making your own music. Today with me you're going to make your first song in 3 simple steps. First I'll show you how to make the beat, then I'll show how to add the instruments, and then if you want you can also add vocals. So now let's begin with the first step. As soon as you enter N-Track, these 6 icons pop up. You should click on create a beat. And now you have many different steps on creating a beat. I'll play with them and add those ones that I like and then show you how it sounds and how to make them smoother and change the volume. I just finished adding the steps to my beat and now let's see how it sounds. Right now it sounds very fast and not organized. To change that, let's adjust the swing percentage. I like it at 100%. Let's see how it sounds now. Much better in my opinion. Also, you can change the volume of each beat by long pressing on it and swiping down or up. And if you want to change the volume of the whole step, just click on the icon near the name of the step and adjust the volume. Now let's go to the step of adding the instruments. After you finish with your beat, you should record it and add it to your song so it saves up. You put the line on the start and click on the red recording button down below. Now you can close this and add the instrument. You click on the plus icon and you click on instruments. Here you have many instruments that you can add. Just to show you an example, I'll add a piano. I click on acoustic piano or whatever piano that you will like, and again any piano that you would like. And here I again press the red recording button on the down below and play whatever melody that I like. Then I click on the red button again so it stops and it automatically adds to my song. Let's see how it sounds. Very sounds very good in my opinion. So also how you can add instruments but by not playing them yourself is clicking on the plus button and clicking on the use loops. Here you have many already made loops or instruments or melodies, songs, everything, and you just need to long press on it and drag it into your song. Right now I just dragged a bass. It won't make much into my song, but I can click on loops and for example add this loop named a moment. Okay, now I press on the X and let's see how our song sounds now. Sounds good. Now I'll show you how to add vocals. To add vocals you should click on the plus icon and then on record audio. After this you click again on the red button like in all the other steps and sing whatever you like. It will automatically add to your song. Let's see how it sounds. You can make it louder or lower by changing this scale. Wait, hold on. No, it was not changing this scale, it was changing this scale that's near the steps that you can see. So I can, for example, put the bass to the top, the piano to the top, this song to the lowest, and my vocals to the top. Let's see how it sounds. As you can see, everything works. So this was a short tutorial on N-Track, how to make your own song, how to add loops, instruments, bass and vocals. I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you learned something new. Bye bye.